Are you ready to navigate the digital landscape and smash up to $100,000 per year with zero investment? Let's dive into the world of SEO and unlock the secrets to online success. In today's digital age, businesses rely heavily on their online presence to attract customers and drive revenue. An SEO specialist, also known as an SEO or search engine optimizer, is a digital marketing professional who helps websites rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, for relevant keywords. Website optimization involves optimizing website content, title tags, meta descriptions, header tags, and images with relevant keywords and user experience in mind. This boosts your site's performance, improves user experience, and increases visibility on search engines for greater success in the digital realm. By following various link-building strategies, you can attract valuable backlinks that boost your website's authority and visibility in search results. By mastering these skills, you can become a well-rounded SEO specialist who can navigate the ever-changing landscape, communicate effectively, and achieve measurable success. Ready to smash up to $100,000 per year? Start your SEO journey today. For more details, please visit www.arrowinvestmentguidance.com.